Well, I'm not a scaredy cat, but the wind picked up all of a sudden, and boy, the sky was dark, black dark. It might not look too dark from the phone, but I decided to pull over, and the hail there just washed off the wiper blade. You see a flash? That's lightning. There's 2 pieces of hail. Not very big, pea-sized hail. But I got a light load, so I didn't want to have to deal with the wind a lot. I'll let this storm blow through. Maybe take me a little nap and then head on out. I really want to get to Amarillo. GPS, that's how far I have to go. So it's 550, 500. Yeah, I can do that. But let's see here, remaining time for the leg. The leg is in Amarillo, and it's 185 miles. That's 3 hours. So I have, let's look here. Summary says I have, what? 5 hours and 44 minutes available on my 11. So I can stay here for a couple of hours and still be able to make it. And I think I'm going to do something like that, rather than deal with all this rain and lightning and hail that is picking up again. I hope I don't get any broken windows. We'll see. You listen to that. That's not rain. Rain is a lot softer. That is definitely hailstones. And they hit the wiper blades and kind of rest there for a minute until they get washed away. So you see little white specks. There's one right there. Not very big, but it could change quickly. You don't ever trust Panhandle or West Texas for weather. It's 20 minutes later and the hail is still coming down. It still appears to be about pea-sized hail, but I haven't been able to go anywhere yet. I don't feel comfortable with it. I will in a few minutes, though. I have too many miles to do to sit here for too long. Okay, the weather has calmed down. It's just raining now. So, I'm fixing to hit the highway. Still some good lightning, but it's to the south of me. Let's go.